అది ప్రతి ఒక్కదానికి పొజిషన్ ఇవ్వాలా
ఏంటండి
ఇప్పుడు మనం డేటా సేవ్ చేసాం కదా
అవును
పొజిషన్ కంపల్సరీ అవసరం లేదు అంటే నేను
పొజిషన్స్ ఎప్పుడు మీరు అసైన్మెంట్స్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు పొజిషన్ డేటా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు పొజిషన్కి వెళ్ళొద్దు
అంటే పొజిషన్
లేదు అసైన్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు పొజిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి
అంటే మీకు నార్మల్ కంపెనీ కూడా ఉంటుంది కదా పొజిషన్ అది ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు
హలో So asset accounting, it is also one of the module in SAP and the last module in finance. So accounts payable, accounts receivable, ayyaga ee module chestamu. So here we copy SAP standards from SAP German asset accounting, and here we copy from the code either 0DE or 1DE standards EV. So like how we call it as company code in finance. So here in asset accounting, chart of depreciation is important. So in finance we called it as company code. Now here we call it as chart of depreciation. Okay, which is nothing but it is equal to your company code only. We deal with fixed assets here, so we don't work with any assets. We deal with fixed assets only. What is that message? So we work with book depreciation. So one of the depreciation methods in SAP, whenever we say book depreciation, it is nothing but postings to accounts, and there are 11 depreciation areas. Here depreciation key means rate plus method. Okay, so there are 11 depreciation areas. Now write down the configuration. Okay, first listen, then you can make a note. Configuration steps. So in that first configuration, as I said, we have to copy all the German standards from 0DE or 1DE. So the first step is copy reference chart of depreciation, and the menu path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, asset accounting, organizational structures, copy reference chart of depreciation. శివగారు మీరు వింటున్నారు కదా? ఎందుకంటే నేను చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను.
ఓకే చెప్పుకుంటే నేను వింటున్నాను మేడం. చిన్న హలో మేడం. హలో మేడం వినిపిస్తుందా?
తక్కువ ఉందండి, లేదా కాల్ చేసి చెప్పండి.
కాల్ చేయనా?
Hello. కాల్ చేసి చెప్పండి లేదంటే శివ గారు.
చేస్తున్నాను, కాల్ చేస్తాను.
చెప్పండి. అదే కదా ఇప్పుడు నేను పాయింట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు కదా. ఓకే చెప్తాను. సో కాపీ చేస్తాం ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి. సో స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఆల్ విల్ కాపీ from either 0 DE or 1 DE. So double click on first line. Now click on copy as here. Now here from which chart of depreciation you are copying? I told you no. Now in this step we are copying the standards. So from 0 DE we'll copy to our code. What was our code? EB15. Here chart of depreciation is nothing but your company code. Enter, save. Enter again. So it says that chart of depreciation is copied to your company code. Now once you go back, now which chart of depreciation you are working, that you have to do now, because I told you there are almost 11 depreciation areas. So here it will show you all the 11, but we mostly work only on book depreciation. So remaining 10 deactivate mode it should be. For that sake we will do this step. Double click on specify description of chart of depreciation. Description of chart of depreciation. Click on position. Now give your chart of depreciation which you created. Enter. Now here first change the description. So maximum valuation for your company ever ready. Assets. Enter, save. So here only description you will change. Enter. Go back. Now double click on copy or delete depreciation. So remaining 10 depreciations you will delete it here. Only we work with one book depreciation. That book depreciation should be active. Give your chart of depreciation. Enter. Now here you can see all the 11 depreciation areas. But we work only on book depreciation. So what you do? You have to delete. So select all depreciation areas except book depreciation. Select all depreciation areas except book depreciation. Now click on delete. So I didn't selected book depreciation. Click on delete. So it will delete all and only one book depreciation will be there. Now here acquisition value, if you see, it says only positive values allowed or zero allowed. No, only positive values తీసుకోవాలంటే ఎప్పుడైనా అసెట్ మైనస్ ఫిగర్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకోండి చూపించదు మనకి బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో. సో అది మళ్ళీ ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ కి ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై ఎక్విజిషన్ వాల్యూ ఎప్పుడు ఆల్ వాల్యూస్ అలౌడ్ కి సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో అది మైనస్ లో ఉన్నా ప్లస్ లో ఉన్నా మనకి బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో చూపిస్తుంది. సెలెక్ట్ ఎక్విజిషన్ వాల్యూ. Select acquisition value, net book value as all values allowed. Select acquisition value, net book value, all values allowed. Enter, enter, save. Enter, save. So these 3 steps put together is your first step. You'll get like this, no problem. Select any row, click on enter. So when you go back, you will see all the 3 are tick mark. That means all the 3 are set. Now next step is whatever chart of depreciation you created, you need to assign it to the company code. So here your chart of depreciation and your company code is one and the same. So assign chart of depreciation to company code. So menu path is same, organizational structure. Then you have assign chart of depreciation to company code here. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. Don't write because I am also going just explaining. So after I complete this, you can, yeah, so it is logged. पिक ले लो, ग्रुप में डालो. Go and inform to that madam. No, उनको बोलो. So it is logged. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Yeah. So click on position. Now give your company code. EV15, enter. Now here our chart of depreciation is also same. Enter, save. Now the next step is specify account determination. So in SAP terminology, account determination is nothing but fixed asset. So here you should specify which fixed asset you are purchasing. So in SAP terminology, that is called as account determination. So you are going to specify your account determination. So path is same till organizational structure, asset classes, then you have specify account determination. For example, I just want to purchase furniture and fixtures, nothing but furniture for my organization. So select the row. So whichever fixed asset you want to purchase, you can copy it. So I just want to go for furniture and fixtures. So I am selecting the row 30000, copy as. Now whatever standards are there, it will copy to your code. So remove 3000000, give your fixed asset. So you have to write it to identify your fixed asset. You have to give some code. So I'll write like this: EV furniture. So for furniture EV15, just to identify our code, because there others also they will create it. So how to identify your code? I just gave EV15. So furniture, fixtures and fittings for your company, EV15, enter. Like that, whichever asset you wanted, you can copy and make it your asset as an identification feature. Save the data, enter. Now, screen layout. So for each asset, there is different screen layout. So you have to mention for fixed asset, furniture and fiction, what is screen layout? For buildings, what is the screen layout? What is screen layout actually? Which screen, which fields you wanted to make it active, which fields you wanted to make it deactive, you can do it here. So create screen layout. So create screen layout rules. So we selected the row 300000, 0000 there, no. Now it is 3000. Copy as. Remove the code and you can give your own code. So I'll give EV SN screen layout. Enter, save. Enter again. Go back. Now, how we were creating number ranges for the ledgers, accounts payable, accounts receivable, like that for the assets also, you have to create number ranges. So define number range interval. Give your company code. Click on intervals 0, 1, 1 to 100. So whatever asset you create, number will be given from here. Save the data. Now define asset classes. Nothing but whatever steps you have done prior till 5th step. All the 5 steps will be integrated here. Okay, step lo integrate చేసి చూపెడతాం. What is your asset class? It's an integration of the screen layout, account determination, number range interval. And define asset classes. So first of all, my asset class AD. So I went for fixture and fittings. So I am selecting 3000. You can new entries also you can do, but fixed assets no. I am just going for copying. So that's why select 3000, copy as. Remove the code. So I gave EVU furniture. So you can write furniture. It's a fixed asset for your company, EV15. Account determination, remove the number, press F4 and select the account determination, whatever you created. Screen layout, you can give whatever you gave. So I gave EVSN. Now number range we said 0, 1. 0, 1 and check the box include asset. So when you check the box, what happens? This particular fixed asset will enter your inventory data. So it is automatically, it will show you in company's inventory data. So check the box include asset, enter. So when you enter, you can see the data is uploaded, your data, save that. Now, for the first time when you are creating fixed assets module in your project, so you need to create 7 accounts. Later on, for example, for the first time I am creating and now I am purchasing only furniture. So I should create 7 accounts. Later on, I purchased computer. I did not create 7. I should only create first account only. Remaining all will be by default applied. So first create చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో 7 అకౌంట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఆ తర్వాత మీరు అసెట్స్ పర్చేస్ చేస్తున్న కొద్దీ ఆ ఓన్లీ 1 అసెట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి మిగిలిన అసెట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. It is one time project. So create 7 GL accounts. First one is acquisition of asset. So in acquisition of asset, my first account is, as I am creating furniture, so my first account I am creating as furniture. So furniture is an asset. T code FS00. Furniture is an asset, so give your asset number. I am giving some number. Company code. Oh, already. Some.
GL కోడ్ మనకు ఏదైనా వచ్చు.
Huh?
GL కోడ్
20040 ఇచ్చాను.
ఓకే, అది మనం మాన్యువల్ గా ఇవ్వాలి కదా.
మనమే ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు ఫోన్ తో లాగిన్ అయ్యారా?
అవును మేడం.
అదే క్లారిటీ అస్సలు లేదు మీ వాయిస్ లో. So here recon account should be assets, and whenever you are checking recon account, you should not check open item, just line item. And here the asset number is 018. It is standard. So 018 is asset number. Click on create bank interest tab. Field status group G067. Enter save. Now the next asset is sale of asset. So when you are doing sale of asset, it's an income. So give your GL account number which is related to sales, nothing but incomes. So I gave 30040. Click on control data tab. Check the box line item. Sort key. Field status group. Now next is profit on sale of asset. So profit means again income. So next number I am giving. Click on create. Type description. Incomes. Control data tab. Check the box line item display. Sort key. Field status group. Next asset is loss on sale. Loss means it's an expense. So give expense related number. I gave 400040. Click on control data tab. Now scrap. So scrap is a income only. It's not a loss to the company because at least you get some amount out of it. Click on control data. I mean,
కంపెనీ క్రియేట్ చేసిందా అదే దానికి పొజిషన్ తీసుకున్నాం అంటే ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ వేరే కొత్త కంపెనీ చేస్తుంటే పాత కంపెనీ
ఏం కాదు.
డైరెక్ట్ సిద్ధి
ఏం కాదు.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మరి పాత దాంట్లో మేము అవసరం ఉండదు.
ఏం కాదు. సర్వర్ రిలేటెడ్ అది. Now the next account is depreciation and accumulated depreciation. So here accumulated and depreciation will come in liability range because companies follow net asset value. Net asset value చూపించాలి అంటే మీరు అసెట్ లోనే ఎక్కువ చూపిస్తే లయబిలిటీ తక్కువ అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి depreciations all they'll show under liability. Assets. Check the box line item display. Sort key. Hello. Field status group. Aim holidays. Depreciation also same way. So all the 7 accounts we have successfully created. So in my next class, I'll show you how to assign the GL accounts. So tomorrow we have session. I'll update you the timings. Maybe this timing only. Prasad, Shiva garu. రేపు సెషన్ ఇదే టైంలో ఉంటుందండి.
ఓకే ఈవినింగ్ మేడం ఈవినింగ్ మేడం ఈవినింగ్